This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Slides as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on the Chrome web browser now. You can either do this on the Chrome web browser or you could use the Edge web browser. I'm going to show you how to do it on either one. But on the Chrome web browser, first thing you want to do is go to Google Slides and make sure that you're logged in. I see my little profile icon up here. I am logged in. The next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you want to slide straight off to the left. Go down to where it says Install this page as an app. I'm going to click on Install this page as an app. A little dialog box will pop open asking me if I want to rename it. And then you would click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to hit Cancel. Now I'm going to go down to the Edge web browser. I'm going to open up the Edge web browser, and first thing you want to do is go to Google Slides. Make sure that you're logged in. Next thing you want to do is go up to the three-dot menu. Click on the three-dot menu. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools. Put your cursor over More Tools. You'll slide straight off to the left to where it says Apps. Place your cursor over Apps. Then you will slide straight off to the right to where it says Install this site as an app. It shows the symbol for Google Slides. I'm going to click on Install this site as an app. Now a little dialog box opens up asking you if you want to rename it. It says this site can be installed as an application. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Install. It takes it just a few seconds and then it automatically opens up on its own. There's another little dialog box here. It's asking if I want to pin it to the taskbar, pin it to the start menu, create a desktop shortcut, or auto start on device login. I'm just going to go with create a desktop shortcut. You just have to use your own judgment on this. Then you go down to the bottom and click on allow. Now I have installed Google Slides as a desktop app. I'm going to close this up. And if you look right up here, I have an app called Slides. If I double click on that to open it, it opens up Google Slides as an app. It works just the same as your browser version, but it is now an app. That is how to install Google Slides as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.